What's up, guys? Shiny Side Up here. So, anybody that's looking to buy a bike, I think you should seriously consider the SV650, because let me show you a feature that I feel like not a lot of people know about on this bike. I don't remember exactly what it's called. I don't know if it's called like a hill assist or stall assist or something like that, but what it does is as you let out the clutch, it ups the revs a little bit so that you avoid stalling on a hill or something along those lines. So as you can see, I'm in neutral. I'm going into first, and I'm gonna put my hand here so you know I'm not giving it gas. Okay, now watch. Let it out. Check this out. Second, and I'm going in second. And let's go to third. There we go. I'm cruising in third. Whee! How cool is that? Pretty rad, right? Let's see it again. All right, I'm let out first, going in first, and we'll let out slow in second, and I'm still going. We'll go ahead and go to third. All right, check that out, man. Loved it a little bit there, but pretty cool feature, right? So I don't know, thinking about getting a bike, consider the SV650. Pretty helpful. It's kind of a cool thing. Anyway, that's all I got. Peace.